Hmm?
No, we don't drive.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so I uploaded a video yesterday at 4. I uploaded a video will be uploaded today at 4. I've got it set up, so it's up at 4. So that's 2 videos in 2 days. And then today, I'm going out to record another video about getting these photos, so then it's up tomorrow. So then that means I've uploaded 3 photos in a row. So that's like 3 daily vlogs, which I've never done before. So hopefully I can edit this vlog tonight so it can be up for tomorrow. Alright, it's currently 1:47. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Oh no, it's 1:48 right now, and I'm editing this video, so hopefully I'll edit it, export it, and upload it ready for tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Let's hope I made it. Yeah, let's carry on with the video. Yeah, I'll just explain when we get there. But we walk into Cussy now to get the photos. Okay, so I saw this, well no, I didn't see it. Ashley sent me a video of this guy with an umbrella while it was autumn, and he like fills the umbrella. I'll just like pop it up in the corner so you can see what I'm on about, but it fills the umbrella up with leaves and then like puts it above him and all the leaves fall out on top of him. You've probably just seen the video because I had it up in the corner. That's what we're going to recreate now. We've got the umbrella, we've got literally everything, so we'll do another sick video, but we need to say literally like thanks to Ashley, who's also walking my dog, for showing me the idea, which we're going to go copy now. And Dylan, are you going to be the gimbal guy again?
Could be.
Nah, I reckon you should be. I think from now on, every time Dylan's out wheels and recording a video, he should be the guy who has the gimbal, who like records on the gimbal. Oh, I mean, he didn't say no. He said I could do.
Yeah, go on then.
Oh, see, I knew it would be. Yeah. I won't give you the zoom in lens this time. I'll give you my 16, so it's easier.
You're the vlogger and I'm the mod.
Ow.
Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh.
Yep. Wagwan. Alright, we got to the spot and I'll fly my drone, and I flew my drone full speed into a tree down there. So now my drone has a broken propeller. Wait, get my drone. Where's my drone? Wait, I'll get my drone.
Oh wait.
That's what my propeller looks like now. That's what it initially looked like and should look like. So, drone down, unfortunately. A couple scuffs on it, but it. Did she actually? Did she actually take photos of me?
Yeah. Oh.
Really?
Yeah. Up there, that's why she was standing there.
We're gonna try and get the photos now. Ashley's gonna, you've been the first person to like have the umbrella over you.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna put the umbrella over him. He's gonna be the first person to do it. I'm on the gimbal, so this might not stay on me. Dylan's is gonna use the gimbal and record, and I'm just gonna get the photos like usual. And we're doing it here. He's gonna be like stood there, and I'm gonna have my 35mm at him, so it crushes the background because it's a long depth of field.
Yes, I did.
I think you are. 3, 2, 1, go. I wouldn't hold it as high, I wouldn't have it up here, I'd have it more like here. Let me come a bit closer.
Yes, I did.
Go. Right, ready? 1, go. Go. It might just be too dark now. Right, so I've got an idea. This has a very bright light on the bottom, so I'm literally just gonna like prop it up and use this as a light to light him up because it's a bit too dark now. So,
No, we don't drive.
I'm actually quite impressed with the quality of this on here, you know.
Why?
I don't know, you look quite sharp, not gonna lie. Like, if
Can't
I
even
zoom in
see.
even closer, you look even sharper, like, just, yeah. Like, you look very...
That was gay. That was gay.
Nah, you've got to pull some poses. Go on. Go on, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Now you got to... Oh, with Mercedes as well. Oh, with Mercedes in background. Go on, oh, you're flexing with Mercedes. Go on. Good. Wait, no, come here. Go like crouch at the side.
Oh,
Mercedes. No, wait, come here. Crouch next to Mercedes and try to like pretend to flex. Pretend to flex. That's a pretty nice Mercedes, like. Oh. Gang.
Not supposed to.
Ging. Give us your car now. We're robbing your car. Oh, it's so warm in here. All right, Treacle, you're driving now. Oh.